Hi, today we are going to do some eye exercises. While I am not a vision expert, I do get a lot of kids that seem to have difficulty tracking words. When they're reading, their eyes just don't work well together. It's just a really developmental vision piece. So know that I'm not an eye expert, but I have had some classes where they've brought up some helpful things for eye exercises along the developmental continuum. So today we have two things we're gonna do. One of them is called eye push-ups. So if you think of being like, exercising and doing push-ups where you're pushing with your arms and you're towards the floor, this is just like that, eye push-ups. So for you guys, I'm gonna have you just use your thumb, and your thumb is what we're gonna do push-ups with. You could find something more interesting to look at than your thumb, or maybe you wanna draw a little smiley face on your thumb. You could use like a flower, you could use anything, but we always have our thumbs, so this is probably the easiest. Sometimes I tell kids to do this every time they brush their teeth. Hopefully you're brushing your teeth every day, maybe even twice a day would be the best. So every time you brush your teeth, you might even want to use your toothbrush. I want you to do eye push-ups. That will help strengthen up all those muscles around your eyes that you use for reading. So for now, I don't have a toothbrush in my hand, I just have my thumb. So thumb, toothbrush, whatever you have. You're gonna take your thumb and you're gonna take it out really far. You're gonna make sure you put your eyes on your thumb and you keep them there. And you're gonna bring your thumb in, as close as it feels, pretty comfortable, but that you can tell your eyes are working and you can still see your thumb or your toothbrush really clearly. And you're gonna count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're gonna let your eyes kind of relax as your thumb goes back out. But the whole time I was counting to 10, I really kept my muscles strong and really focused only on my eye. If I'm looking all around and I'm not looking at my thumb or my toothbrush or whatever I'm looking at, those muscles, they're really not getting any exercise. So we really want to keep your eyes on. So this would probably be a good one to have mom or dad or sister, babysitter, somebody watch you to make sure your eyes are really getting the exercise you're after. So we're gonna do it together one more time. Put your thumb out and do it with me. We're gonna bring your thumb in, keep your eyes on your thumb. Bring it, about a hand length away from your eyes and really focus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then back out. Good job. So I said we were gonna do two things. So there's eye push-ups, and the other one, I just drew a picture of a clock. So this one's gonna be more like a game. So when we're gonna pick, I drew on just a few pieces of paper, like 9 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock. If I draw a card that says 6 o'clock, I want you to look down, pretend like you're a huge clock and your body is like the whole clock and you're looking all the way down at the bottom for 6 o'clock. If I pick 12 o'clock, you're gonna look all the way up as far as you can. Make your eyes go all the way up into the top of your head for 12 o'clock. If it's 9 o'clock, you're gonna look over this way to it'll be that way. And if I pick 3 o'clock, it'll be that way. Okay, so I'm gonna pick a card and we're gonna practice. So I picked 6 o'clock, and just so you could see better, I drew eyes that are looking down. So if it's 6 o'clock, I want you to look down. I want you to count to 10 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Remember that clock is all the way, your whole body is that big clock. So we're looking as far as we can in the direction of the clock. Okay, you guys get it. So you can do this on your own. You can draw a circle, just take like a big cup or a plate and trace a circle and draw a 12 and a 6 and a 3 and a 9 on it and make a little clock. And then draw on a piece of paper, 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock. And then just pick one and just practice, making your eye muscles really stretch and be strong in all those directions. Good ways to strengthen up those eye muscles for reading. You guys have an awesome day.